Here.
Get your eye on Red Wings, boys. Wait for the green one. Where is he?
Bubble fix on our right. Dorian, where's Dorian? Dorian's behind us. He's behind us.
Slow down too much.
He got pushed out, didn't he, with the dragon?
Green flags up. We're away.
Go.
Right. Oh, they're closing the bloody door. Come on, Rob, get out of the way. Look behind us, boys, can you?
Yeah. We got double two to our right coming at the wrong side.
I've got the right. He's waiting miles away.
Quite a way off, they're okay.
And he's
Okay. It's only double two. Dorian's quite a long way back at the moment, but he'll obviously come through at some point. Good start, guys.
Not bad, eh?
That's a great start. Well done.
That pump hasn't come on either, I've been watching it. Yeah, no, you... Oh, it is now.
Oh. Okay, Rob's coming through.
Hi, guys.
Wow. No.
I've got to get right as a line.
Still got double two to our right, but they're quite a way off, it's fine.
Yeah. East speed coming up. Folks in the court.
Phil, go slightly left.
Yeah, mate.
That's it.
That's a good speed, Gordon.
That's flat out.
No, is it?
It is. That's flat out, mate.
What are we doing?
Do with a load more trim.
70.9,
71. We can do a load more trim.
No.
There's that vibration.
Yeah.
Feel it? Something like that. I've trimmed it in a little bit.
72. I think double two are just going to tuck where they are and stay with us.
Yeah, I think they are. We might as well go for
Start glory.
yeah. Race, we might as well have some fun. I didn't see Kayla at all at the start.
No Kayla at all, don't we?
I don't think Kayla's in it.
Oh,
I didn't see the boys in the boat when we left.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I know.
Where's double two, boys?
If he's caught us up.
He's dropped back quite a bit.
Right. Double two?
Yeah,
he's dropped back.
He's still with us, but he's dropped back from where he was.
Yeah. Okay. Phil, get us out of this wash.
Oh,
Are we going right or left? That's it.
That's on the pull, isn't it? We're just about to overtake.
Who's that?
Yeah, it's the Cougar. We're overtaking somebody, boys.
No way. Well, for us. Bloody hell, they're going slow.
They're not happy.
Well, we'd have finished first historic boat at this rate, wouldn't we? Bloody hell. Well, I finished first. How's that belch box, Phil?
Smell it? Oh, don't speak too soon, Gordon.
Right, where's Dan?
Dan?
He's still behind us, but he's dropped drop back a bit.
Drop back even more now.
Yeah.
Should we slow down a bit?
Yeah, shall we?
Let's slow down a bit.
Yeah.
As we did say, we've had a bit of fun, I know.
There's no point catching up front, Gordon.
I don't think we're going to catch Rob somehow.
I think we're third, aren't we, at the minute? Oh!
Wow.
Hello, boys.
Well,
Where's Dorian, guys? Can you see Dorian?
Dorian was behind us. He hasn't come through.
Oh, here he
has
is.
He's on our right, coming past us now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, there he is.
Okay, yeah.
That's him.
You're not getting the red mist there, Gordon.
I love this. Bill's rump's on again.
Yeah. You just can't see anything coming out when we're going fast.
Where's Dan?
Left him again. We only slowed down for a little bit,
Let's
Gordon.
slow down. I know. I promised I would. I was just having a bit of fun.
They're all behind us. This is amazing. Oh, the dragon's out already.
No.
Broke
Yeah.
Oh, boy. Well, it'd be nice if it was like this all the way, wouldn't it?
Oh, lovely. Nice little chop.
Mate, how's that Bill's rump looking?
Off.
Where's Dan? Anybody see Dan?
Well, he's still behind us.
How far?
Not that far. I think he's just holding station.
Yeah, yeah.
See, yeah.
Let's try and get him alongside.
Bilge bump going again.
Oh, mate.
Anything coming up behind us, boys?
No, Dan? He's a bit closer, he's directly behind still. Who is?
Bubble deck coming up on the right, but they're quite a long way back.
Okay.
Those bumps going down, Gordon.
That's perfect. The two planets X line is stern through Hurst. That's fantastic. All the photos.
Come here, everybody on Hurst.
Well, flattened right off now.
Isn't it?
Look at it. Right. It's closing on us now, and it's coming up one more to the right.
Okay.
Come up on the right hand side, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Double two's on the left now.
Okay,
Brilliant.
Yeah, double two coming through on the left.
No one else to keep
look out for now, then they're all clear, aren't
Bench
they?
pumps on.
Wow.
Mate,
Oh, he took off then, didn't he? Dorian's going slow.
what?
Is that Dorian? No, it's not, is it? No.
Oh, mate, hope not.
Whoa, oh. There's some swell out here, isn't it? Whoa, and again.
Hey,
I can't go left, the number two's in the way.
There's double two, brilliant. Right.
Where's the helicopter when you need one? Where's the helicopter when you need one?
Yeah. Typical, isn't it?
Hell of a shot would that be? And that, look at that, boys.
It's great, isn't it?
Fantastic. Well, we're seeing more boats than we did last year, aren't we?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Looks like we're not racing alone.
You guys got a great start though, that was really good.
Going back, it's got his wash, are we? No?
He's just done
We're going to balance on the top.
Yeah, I can't go the other side, you're too close to double two.
Yep, okay.
So there's a boat up ahead. I'll go to the stern of this one.
Okay.
Whoa, mate, it's fine.
The fishing boat.
Yeah,
Oh, right. Where are we going now?
straight through there. That's the buoy, that's the mark. video from them guys.
Sorry?
Good
Say
video
again,
from
Phil.
those guys. No one else behind us.
No,
then,
nobody
right?
else.
Shit, so where's Karma? What a shame.
Yeah, they should be here with us. Welchman one again. Not so much.
Say again, Phil.
Welchman was on, but doesn't seem so frequent now.
Okay.
So they don't, you know, they never do auto at all. Normally. Coming up to the Boscombe Gate. Going across this wash a little bit more.
And I'm almost full throttle.
Look at double two, boy.
I've got a load more trim, but I don't want to. I'm a little bit concerned about that vibration. We didn't even get to optimum trim.
Alright, well, you're trimmed in, are you?
I'm not feeling it today, guys. I can feel it on Friday, but not today. You got a vibration under your feet. You got a vibration under your feet,
No.
though. No,
Not
I
now.
haven't. You won't have at the moment. We're at level
Trimmed it out
trim.
like you did yesterday.
Oh, we're at level trim.
Okay.
So, and I'm
When
going
he
to keep
trims
it
it out
there.
more.
If we've got a problem, there's no point in aggravating it. This is the gate, is it?
That's the gate, yeah.
Yeah, lovely.
Well, yeah, that's the gate.
We not become more left, Phil?
We're going to go closer to Bournemouth Hill in this gate, but
Fine.
No, no.
Because it's flatter here.
No, just go up to Peveril next.
Right.
It's all headlands next anyway, so
Right.
both pumps on again. Hold my hand up there again, boys. Sorry.
Yeah, looking all relaxed.
I'll be more relaxed if those pumps stayed off.
That's 3 dropouts so far then, and then 1 non-starter and 2 retirements we've already seen.
Yeah.
3
Yeah.
boats.
Yeah.
What place we are now then?
I reckon we're 4th.
25th.
Both pumps again, Gordon.
Pumps again.
Both of them, yeah. I went down then. That's my left elbow now.
Funny sort of swell, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah.
This is Peveril, isn't it, Phil?
Pardon?
Is this Peveril?
Yes. Dalston, sorry, Dalston. this is.
Nelson just back there, yeah.
Oh, big one.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Hey.
Jeez. They're big ones, aren't they? Oh, mate.
Right. Top of the pot.
Yeah.
I knew you'd have it.
This is going to be on the way back, isn't it?
Builders alarms are on again. Both of them.
Yeah.
Well, I was going to say, if this is as bad as it gets, that'll do me.
This what?
I was going to say, if this is as bad as it gets, that'll do me.
Yes, that's right. Well, it's going to get worse, mate. Fortunately. Oh.
arm on that windscreen
I
again?
have, because I'm whacking my left elbow now. Just there. Whoa. All right in the back there, boys?
Yeah, all
Yeah,
good.
Oh. Here comes Anvil Point. Look at the big ones through there, Gord. Cheapest.
Hey?
Look at the big ones at Anvil Point here.
Oh dear. Oh well.
Got to cut it close.
What do you think? That's be better?
Cut it really close. Wow, look at these swells. Oh, gee. Oh,
Bloody hell.
whoa.
Hell have I got me on that one?
This is not the tide running fast yet. Oh.
Left down filter arm on again. I can just see it at the corner of my eye.
Yeah, I know. Red flashy. Bloody flashy lights.
What, mate?
Little red flashy lights.
I know. My right elbow now, Phil. You didn't do a good enough job on that.
Mate, we got to go inshore a bit, haven't we?
Whoa.
Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, this is what they said, right?
Do we want to beat it to death through this?
Well, this is only to Portland and then it gets worse.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Portland is blowing.
Build your arms on again.
Yeah.
Put your puppies on.
Yeah. Last year.
Right.
We got Line Bay to go, yeah? What do you reckon, boys?
I don't want to break someone. Not after the year we've had.
Yeah, definitely don't want to break here.
No.
I mean, are you thinking of going inshore or just not going at all?
Well,
It's going to be bloody rough across Lyme, isn't it?
Oh,
It's like
yeah,
this here.
it is, isn't it?
yeah. Dip our nose in the line bay and see what it's like.
Well, I think that's all we can do, isn't it?
Yeah.
We cannot.
Port bilge is on again.
Yeah. We got a long way to go before Portland, boys.
Yeah, that's right.
Where do we put, and if it's bad, well, bear in mind, boys, we have to get back on one engine and turn the seacocks off on the port engine in this.
Well, this plane on one engine.
No,
No.
8 knots. 8 knots, that's all you get.
Okay.
Yeah. But the only thing we do will be to clear the water, restart it, and until the point comes where we need to.
Yeah.
Is there any point, really?
Well, I'm beginning to wonder, mate. Honestly,
Hey?
I'm beginning to wonder.
What?
It's not really fun, is it? Jesus.
What was that?
That's got that on me back, that one did. What was that? Was that you? Yeah.
I don't like that.
It is, it's not gone off in ages. It's getting worse, whatever it is. It's gone off now. But that was on for a month.
Mate, worst case scenario is we lose the boat. I ain't doing that.
Oh,
We can't risk it.
Not doing that, mate.
We're not
no.
doing that.
Damn.
Come on, boys. I think it's time to take,
Make a decision.
yeah,
Yeah.
that does concern me.
What do you reckon, mate? You're going to take this. Oh! Just don't want to bust it, do we?
I know. The pain is,
We've got to go back through. I mean, if you turn around now, you've got to go back through all this anyway.
well, what's your what are you thinking then?
Hey?
Yeah, but what if that water leak gets worse, that increase
That's right.
gets worse?
I know, and we've still got to get back.
I know. So let's go back now. We got a chance of getting back the cows, haven't we?
Yeah,
I agree.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think we're in agreement,
Yeah, we
boys.
can't. Bottom line is we can't risk the boat, whatever.
No, we can't.
You know,
Absolutely
that's the most important thing.
No,
I know it's
I know.
sad.
I
The
know.
sad thing is we were doing really well.
I know,
Yeah.
and it's only going to get bloody worse. If it was
Yeah.
getting better,
Yeah,
if it was the other way, you know, you could
Yeah,
risk
but
it.
that's- the worry is that bilge pump though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Phil, where are we going now then?
Oh, sorry, I was steering this thing.
Yeah, who is steering this thing,
Christ,
Phil?
we're nearly on the beach.
No, we're fine. That's Magma over there. There's a boy over there. We've got to go round on the way back.
Right, well.
Yeah, she's
Come on then, boys.
again.
We're getting further and further away from cows.
We are, mate. We are.
We need to just turn it round.
Okay.
Radio ends, race control, or ring them, whatever you want to do.
Alright,
Might
mate.
be, I don't really want to stop.
No,
I'll be honest.
no, we're not going to stop.
Nige,
Yeah.
can anybody... hang on.
Not with the helmets on. Oh, well, you got to press the talk.
We got a what?
We got to press the talk, but they won't hear us on the radio. We're going to have to phone it in.
Right, okay. Where's the good one?
So you want to do a UE now then?
Yeah, do a
Alright.
UE now. Nothing behind us. Is
No, we're clear left.
I keep the
Alright, mate.
speed constant.
Chris, are you alright, mate?
Yeah. You alright, Chris? Yeah. Nigel?
Yeah, I'm good, mate.
Sorry, boys.
Oh, don't be silly. The most important thing is the boat.
Oh! Mate.
We had a bit of fun.
We had a lot of
and
fun,
it's been a
yeah.
great start.
If we get back and she's still running, then brilliant.
Yeah, I'll be very happy.